Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: app installed, both devices on the same Wi-Fi, and account signed in. Once done, open CastPlay and allow microphone and local network access so discovery works. Tap devices at the top. The app scans automatically. If the target device doesn't appear, toggle Bluetooth and retry discovery. Make sure your router isn't blocking device-to-device communication, because CastPlay needs direct local connections to stream smoothly. You now choose and configure the actual stream. After selecting the target device, pick the stream type: screen mirror for full display or appcast for optimized playback. Once selected, open settings and select resolution and bitrate. Higher values need stronger Wi-Fi. Use auto for unstable networks so the app adjusts dynamically. Then start playback or share your screen. CastPlay establishes an encrypted session so latency and syncing remain low. If you see lag, reduce bitrate or switch frequency bands. You finish by confirming the session and learning how to stop or fix issues. When done, tap Stop to end casting and close background streams to free bandwidth. If the device disconnects, reauthorize permissions, restart the app, or reboot the target device. This clears stale sessions. For persistent problems, open settings and send the diagnostic log to support. One key tip: if audio/video drifts, switch to a less congested 5 GHz channel or lower bitrate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.